Picked up this drift car. This is the Drift City Top Racer remote control drift car. Stay with us, show you how to use it. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another radio control car. This is the Drift City called Top Racer. It's a drift car. It's a radio control. We're going to open this little guy up and do some drifting with it, all right? Stay with us. We'll show you how it does. Here we are. Let's open this little guy up. See what we can do with him here. It says it's a drift car. I've never done much drifting, but we're going to try it. Let's see what all we got here. Look at there, orange. Wow. That's quite an orange car there, isn't it? All your extra parts like wheels and buoys and charging cable. And there's some batteries. That's the ones that need to be charged. There's your remote control. Here's your instruction sheet. Not really a instruction manual, just an instruction sheet. Now this is screwed down here. Let's see what we can do. That should take it off right there. Maybe not. Oh, it unscrews all the way. Sometimes those things just twist once, sometimes they unscrew all the way. So there we go. Got that little guy out. All right. There is a control right there for if your car's drifting one way or the other, you trim it right there. Let's see what we can do here. Screwed down, isn't it? All right. Right here, unscrew the little cap right there for the battery that we have to charge up. There it is. There's where your battery's going to go. But right now, we're going to just put that back on there and say, we'll do it in a minute. On your transmitter, right here is where your batteries go in. It takes 2 AA right there on the back. All right, there we go. AA, remember the spring is the flat part. That goes to the negative. Same way with this one. Spring goes to the negative. Put this guy back in here. All right, there you go. Drive it like that. Turn it like that. And do some drifting. See what all we got here. Came with a bunch of stuff, didn't it? Woo. Charging cable. 2 batteries. Yep, let's see. Oh, there's a screwdriver right there, but I already had one. Some extra wheels if you need them. There's some buoys to set you up a track. What you're going to do is open this little guy. That little battery is going to connect in right there to the connector. Slides in right there. Yeah, slides in right there, okay? Like that. Put this little guy inside, close it back, and you're ready to go. First off, though, we're going to go charge this little guy. Got to be charged. Plug your connector into the charging cable right here. Like that. Go plug that in the USB port and let it charge. There we are. There's the connector. Plug that little thing in right there. Click shut. Plug this into your USB port right there. Yeah, I know it plugs in there. There we go. See the red light on? Red light charging. The red light goes off, ready to run. Well, you can see the red light's gone out. Battery's charged. This one's ready to do some driving. Let's put the battery in this one since it's fully charged now. Right here, it plugs in just like it did to your charging cable. Right there. Till you hear it snap. There you go. Set that in there. Put your battery down inside there. Put this one right here. Close that. Screw the screw back down to hold the little cover on so you don't lose your battery. All right, we got that on. On and off is right here. Little button right there. See it? It's off. Press it to on. See the light come on? Let's see how we do this now. Same thing here. On, off. On. See the red light on? It does like to spin. Look at the lights on that thing. Well, it's in the floor. We're going to get down there with it anyway, okay? We get down here in the floor with it and show you how to do some driving with it. Turn this little guy on right there. Little switch right there. It says on, off. On. See the lights come on right there? Now, on your transmitter, little button right there. On. See the red light come on right there? Right there. Forward, backwards. Drive it right here with it. All right, let's set it down on the floor and see what we can do with it. Look at it go. Whoa, it does like to slide around, doesn't it? It's the drifter. Look at it spin. All right. Woo. Remember, forward, reverse, driving wheel right there. Look at those lights flash under there. Let me see if I can get you some light. Better see those lights. See those lights? See the lights under there? Whoa! It does drift, doesn't it? See the red light come on when you back it up? Boom. And watch the red light come on right here. See that? When you're in reverse, the red light's on. tempo. I think this is 4-wheel drive too. When you're through with it, turn your switch off right here. See the lights go off on your transmitter. Turn your light off right there. Light go off, and it's done. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.